Donald Trump, sworn in as president 100 days ago. America has rarely seen such success. A respected...
Well, that's the campaign ad that has President Trump upset with the mainstream media again. But is it true that CNN refused to air it? Well, that's what he says, adding that his message will not be silenced. A lot of you are sharing that Facebook post and commenting on it, pro and con. So we set out to verify it for you, and it turns out it was pretty easy. It's true. We verified that CNN is refusing to air the ad, and they issued a statement explaining to everyone why they made that decision. Take a look. CNN Communications says the company requested that the advertiser remove the false graphic that says the mainstream media is, quote, fake news. Well, the mainstream media is not fake news, and therefore the ad is false. Per our policy, it will be accepted only if that graphic is deleted. Those are the facts. So it may not stop the people who support President Trump from sharing the video, but we hope this helps you understand why CNN is refusing to air the spot, and it is not because of media bias. If you see something on TV or your social media feeds that has you wondering, is this true or not? Let us know. We'll try to verify it for you. Find us on Facebook or Twitter at WUSA9 or email our team of researchers at verify@WUSA9.com.
New tonight.